Quality and raw materials are closely related. Guanya always insists on selecting high-quality materials. The quality and color matching of plastics are crucial in the manufacturing process. Guanya chose LG Chemistry's ABS material, which has excellent processability, transparency and colorability, impact resistance and chemical resistance. After selection, we enter the production stage. First, the molds prepared in the abrasive workshop are sent to the injection workshop for installation. Then the raw materials are put into the automated production machine, and the object is processed by the machine. Quality department personnel will also conduct inspection to confirm that of the qualified objects and then laser light with the exclusive logo. The above is the production process of Guanya desk lamp plastic shells.